While so many retail investors, including myself, expected some of the growth stocks to do very well in 2021, well, most of them are still trading at very low trading prices. So these good growth stocks that are trading at their low trading prices are offering me and you good opportunities for us to go and load the boat on these stocks, as they are just said to do very well, because these are the stocks that are having or surrounding themselves with good strong fundamentals. Otherwise, guys, the stock which I believe that it will give you some good returns in the next 12 months is a stock that we've covered in this channel already. This is the stock that I've encouraged you time and time again to go and load the boat on this stock, because this is the stock that did tremendously well. In fact, this stock, based on their Q3 earnings results, we saw their stock price or the share price going to almost $25 per stock. And the stock that I'm talking about today is none other than Sofi Technologies. Now, you remember that Sofi Technologies is a stock that, like I said, we've discussed a lot on this channel. Now, today I want to remind you of why Sofi Technologies is a stock that you would want to own for a longer term. I will give you, of course, some of the latest developments around this stock. So please do watch this video until the end, because I definitely think that at the end of this video, you are definitely going to like what I have in store for you. So if you like the content that I'll be sharing with you about Sofi Technologies, don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, and subscribe. And of course, that is if you have not subscribed to the channel already. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any good latest content regarding the stocks like Sofi and the others that we follow on this channel. So as I've always said, you know that my videos are just for entertainment purposes, and you should not take anything I say on this video as financial advice. If you seek professional financial advice, you already know what to do by now, and that is you need to go and consult the professionals. Now, Sofi Technologies, for the upcoming Q4 earnings results, they expect to report total revenues of around or of between 272 million and 282 million US dollars, which is not that bad, because if they report 282 million US dollars, that is like a 2% increase from the total revenues they reported in the Q3 of 2021, which is still not bad, because it will be showing a growth at the end of the day. Now, you remember that one of the reasons why I personally like Sofi Technologies stock is simply because of their platform. This platform that is becoming a one-stop shop for all things relating to digital banking. As you remember that investors can save, borrow, spend, and trade, which is something that is truly amazing, and is the one that makes me to like this company. But another reason that I like their business model is because if you are to notice, or if you are to check the records or their earnings results, you'll notice that the membership of this, or membership of consumers that are coming into Sofi, is actually increasing every time, which is something that is truly amazing. And you have to take and note it down, because this means that consumers are liking this platform. Consumers are liking the services that Sofi Technologies offers, which is something that is incredible. And that's to show you that as long as consumers are coming in and wanting to use Sofi Technologies, we will see it, or will always see it generating some good revenues from the services that they offer in their platform, which is something that is truly amazing. Otherwise, another main reason why I like Sofi and I'm investing in Sofi Technologies is because Sofi Technologies, it is expected to receive a banking charter very soon. You remember that the banking charter, what it does, or what it will do to Sofi, is that it will open so many doors for Sofi Technologies. They will be able to grasp or get so many clients, or offer or reach out to so many clients out there, which is something that is incredible, and is the one that makes me to stay long onto these Sofi Technologies, and makes me want to take this low trading price as an opportunity for me to load the boat. You'll remember that one of the analysts from the Rosendahl Securities indicated that he is, or they are expecting Sofi Technologies to get the banking charter approval by the Q2 of 2022, which is something that is incredible and has to motivate you to stay long onto this Sofi Technology stock. Yes, I know that initially we had expected Sofi Technologies to get the banking charter approval by November, but it looks like now we can sort of like expect around Q2 of 2022 to get some good feedback from the regulators with regards to this banking charter approval, which is something that is incredible, because with the banking charter, I've already told you that so far indicated that they can easily double their total revenues they generate on each and every quarter, which is something that is truly amazing and has to motivate you to stay long onto this Sofi Technologies stock. Now, one of the good things from the Q3 earnings report, or one of the good points that I actually took into consideration and I liked very much, is when the CFO of Sofi indicated that they will be diversifying their lending segment beyond student loan refinancing, which is something that is truly amazing, because this just means that they are expanding their lending segment, and this will result in them generating more revenue, or making Sofi to generate more revenue for themselves, which is something that is incredible. So again, I will say these low trading prices that we are seeing Sofi trading at ought to be taken as a good opportunity for you to load the boat on this stock, because the future looks bright, especially with the banking charter approval. I definitely think that we can expect this stock to do so much better than what it's currently doing right now, which is something that I believe that it ought to attract each and every retail investor, or almost all investors, to come in and load the boat on these Sofi Technologies, especially to those that already own the stock. For those that don't, this might be a good opportunity for you to add this stock to your portfolio for the very first time. I mean, it's trading below 15 US dollars per stock, which is a quite good price looking at the fundamentals that sort of like surround this stock. Otherwise, when you go to the rating consensus in Wall Street right now, one of the good things that I think this should make you to be comfortable when you're investing into this stock currently has a strong buy in Wall Street, with 6 analysts indicating that buy this stock and 2 analysts indicating that hold this stock, which is something that is truly amazing, because there is no sellers, or there are no sellers who are currently indicating that you should sell this Sofi stock, which ought to be taken as a good sign to say that this is the stock that you would want to have in your portfolio. Otherwise, the 12-month stock or share forecast for Sofi Technologies is as follows. Sofi Technologies has a low 12 months forecast of around 19 US dollars. So it just simply means that worst case scenario, in the next 12 months, Sofi might be trading around 19 US dollars, which I don't think, especially with the banking charter approval coming, we'll see Sofi Technologies trading this low. Otherwise, it has an average 12 month price target of just over 24 US dollars per stock, which is something that is incredible and has to make you to want to consider having this stock, because this is over 60% increase from where it's currently trading at, meaning that if you have to buy Sofi Technologies now, and chances are high that you will get over 60% in the next coming 12 months, which is something that is incredible. Now, lastly, Sofi Technologies has a high 12 months price target of around 30 US dollars per stock, which is something that is incredible and has to show you of what we can expect out of Sofi in the next coming 12 months. So this is a good opportunity for you to load the boat on this Sofi Technology stock, especially looking at the average purchase price that analysts in Wall Street are expecting Sofi to be trading at in the next coming 12 months. I believe that maybe, like I said, you can also go do your own due diligence and check if you could load the boat on this stock, because it is just set to do very well. Otherwise, like I always say, before you could add a dollar or two on this stock, please go out there and do your own due diligence, so that you can at least be comfortable when you're investing into this stock, because it is just set to do very well, and you will be comfortable, or the due diligence will make you to be comfortable when you're investing into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.